I charged this client $32,655 in a single month from one AI agent that I helped them implement. How on earth is it possible to create an AI agent that can relieve enough pain and solve a big enough issue for you to be able to charge $32,000 in a single month? Well, there's a brand new opportunity in the AI space, which is what I call AI reactivation. And in this video, I'll explain to you what this opportunity is, how it was not possible in the past, but it now is, and the huge opportunity there is in the AI space right now to help local businesses implement this. For you to understand AI reactivation, you also need to understand how businesses function. Right now, most businesses are running ads, so they have some way of acquiring customers. And then they have a sales team that these customers go to. And of course, some of these turn into sales. That might be 10% of them. But what happens with most of the leads is that they end up in just this pile of H leads. And this is low interest, which means that the company doesn't really do much with these after they have signed up. And the reason for that is that usually they couldn't use them for anything. Because if they wanted to hire someone, like a caller or an appointment setter, to call all of these leads, it would be very, very expensive. Like they would have to pay this caller appointment setter maybe like $15 an hour, which would be way too expensive. So what they might do is they might hit them with like regular SMS text or something that's not really personalized, which even that converts a little bit. But there's a huge opportunity in this for you, in these H leads that they otherwise are not using. And the reason for that is that instead of using this caller that would charge way too much, which wouldn't make it worth. That's why they're not doing it. You can implement AI agents that can reach out to those leads on SMS, find the very small percentage, like it might only be 0.5 to 1% that are still interested in whatever service this company is selling. But you can get AI agents to find those and then book them in as an appointment. Give that appointment back to the sales team, because then the sales team can close that into sales. And the crazy thing is that implementing these AI agents are brand new. This wasn't possible 4 years ago. It's only possible now with the use of LLMs. So let me explain our business model that we use to close $32,000 a month clients. If I go to our website, this is our AI agency. You can see the message is very clear. AI that turns lost customers into sales. We even have a calculator on our website where our potential clients can calculate how many H leads they have, how many customers they can upsell to, and how much traffic they have. And they can see how much additional revenue they are missing out on. If you want this website template with the calculator, then it's available for everyone inside of our school community. So if you're interested, you can check that out below. But the business model is quite simple because it's easy to sell. Companies, they come to us and they bring their database. We simply just tell them that we charge X amount of dollars per appointment that we book for this company. For this client, for example, we were charging $100 per appointment, and we were reactivating around 35,000 leads this month. We booked in around 1% of it, but that is still 350 appointments times 100, that's $35,000. So we actually booked less than 1% because it came out to $32,655. The entire key thing of this is that we charge nothing up front. It doesn't cost the client anything to start with us. We front the SMS cost. We front reactivating the leads and the work going into building this AI. Our payment comes from the results that we bring, the pay per appointment model. And this was from H leads. But you shouldn't stop there. There's so many companies that have databases of leads where in the past it would simply be too expensive to reach out to them. But that is now possible with the use of AI. This could be H leads. It could also be previous customers. It could also be people on their newsletter. If I head over to Instagram as well and check out my messages, there are so many people that I don't get to respond to. You could also get an AI to reach out to all like old DMs from companies. Imagine your favorite influencer with 1 million followers, how many DMs that they don't respond to, or how many people they have talked to in the past, which is also leads that never converted. You can get AI to reach out to all of this bucket of leads, which otherwise wouldn't have been possible because it would be too expensive. But that is possible now. And you charging as a pay per appointment model just makes it way easier for them to say yes, because they only pay for the results that they get. And here's the thing that we did wrong for a very long time. We only did this, so we only focused on the $35,000 that we can make, which already there is fucking crazy. But what you should then do is that you should become their AI partner. Now you're their AI expert, so anything else that they want to add it, like AIs to their Instagram, website widgets, AI infrastructure, you're now their go-to partner, and you can literally just upsell like crazy on every other feature, every other agent, every other thing that they want added. And if you can get a lot of companies where you do this as a start because it's easy to say yes, and then after that you become their AI partner, if you have 20 companies where you do this for in this AI boom, then you'll be set for life. This is such a unique opportunity, and I see no one talking about it. And if you reach out to companies that have these things, then it's so easy for them to say yes because you do it on a result basis. If you want to see how we actually built the agent that made us these $32,000, then there's a full guide inside of the classroom under agents called the Google Calendar agent that shows exactly how we built the AI that booked those 350 appointments and made us $32,000 in a single month. And the crazy part is that this agent only took us around 2 hours to set up. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments below and make sure to sub up.